Oops, what happened to Ziggy? Ziggy was the best helper in the whole wide world. He could fold towels, stack toys, and even pour juice, without spilling a drop. Tina, Nina, and Coco loved him more than bubble baths and bedtime stories. One sunny morning, the kids tiptoed into the playroom. Ziggy was waking up from his night charge. Beep, bop, bee. But something was strange. Uh-oh, cried Coco. Ziggy was watering a toy dinosaur instead of the plants. The kids burst out laughing. What's going on, Ziggy? Next, Ziggy folded a peanut butter sandwich and wore socks on his head. Nina giggled. He's being super silly today. Tina had an idea. Maybe he forgot all his instructions. Like his brain got scrambled, said Coco. Let's teach him again, step by step. The kids made signs and took turns giving Ziggy clear steps. Pick up the toy. Now put it in the box. Ziggy blinked twice and beeped. He was learning again. Soon, Ziggy was back in action. He served toast with just the right amount of jam. The kids clapped. You did it, Ziggy! Ziggy's smiley face lit up like a rainbow. He gave each child a high five with his silly robot arms. Working together and giving clear steps, that's what made the magic happen. One step at a time makes everything work just right, just like little coders.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.